Welcome to today's exciting cricket match. We have a thrilling game ahead of us, so stay tuned for all the action. The winning team has decided to bowl first. Let's see how this plays out. Here comes the openers, walking out to the crease. They'll be looking to lay a solid foundation
Good luck.
for their team. The right-hander on strike. Oh, that looks straight. That's a big appeal. The batter has no doubt in the umpire's call.
That is how it is done.
He's on his way back, visibly disappointed after losing this wicket. It's the left-hander on strike. Coming round the wicket. Straight as an arrow, and it's 4 runs.
Fantastic shot.
That's all about technique and execution. Head still, back coming down straight, and the result. It's 4 all the way. Big appeal from the bowler asking that question. He's going for a review.
That is how it is done.
Pitching outside off, impact in line, Wickets hitting.
No change in the decision. The batter heads back, disappointed after that dismissal. The right-hander on strike. Good piece of running. They picked up 2 runs. That's a dot ball. No runs. That's gone miles high. Handsome and into the crowd. This is maximum impact. His timing and power make it look so easy, but that's a tough shot to execute. Attacking line, attacking length. That's what you expect from a quick bowler. Left-hander on the strike. Under pressure, the bowler. Need to make things happen. Too easy. Put away with authority. 4 runs. The sheer power behind that shot is incredible. He made full use of the delivery and sent it to the fence. Good piece of running. They picked up 2 runs. Ooh, that looks lot straighter. That looks lot straighter. The captain opts for the review.
Impact in line. Wickets hitting.
The replay clearly shows the umpire's initial judgment was mistaken. And they lose a wicket. An important one. The right-hander on strike. Magnificent straight right. Right back past the bowler for a glorious boundary. The bowler did try to cramp him for room, but the batter adjusts brilliantly to guide it to the boundary. That's good running. A couple of runs. Change of angle coming back to over the wicket. Good over that one. Right-hander on strike. Another dot ball. It's making the bowler think. What is he planning to do now, the batter? That's a dot ball. No runs. Ooh, that looks lot straighter. That looks lot straighter. Still got time. Oh, he's taken the review.
Pitching outside off. Umpire's call.
Good call from the umpire. What a shot, gets to the pitch of the ball. Good extension of the bat. Uses his long levers. That's good batting. That's sensible batting. It's making the bowler think. What is he planning to do now, the batter? That's a dot ball. No runs. Pure class. Perfect timing. Perfect placement. 4 runs. Oh, just look at that timing. He's found the middle of the bat and it races away to the boundary. Oh, that's a really good shot. Fabulous shot down the ground. No chance for the fielder inside the circle. Oh, he's dismissed that. The bowler won't believe it. 6 more. Oh, that's pure power. The replay shows how he absolutely middled it, sending it miles into the stands. Coming round the wicket. That's good running. Finds the gap. That's 4. What a way to seal the victory. He's muscled that through the infield. The fielder barely had time to react as it sped past him.
Good night, everybody.